Alright everyone, so let's continue on with the coverage for the accessories for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So last week I did my wrap up on the Z-Do case. Alright, so now we're going to move on and cover one of these other accessories here. So here we go. So let me see, what are we gonna cover next here? Let me see. They all look good, man. I don't know. I'm a sucker for that carbon fiber. So you know what? Let's go with the carbon fiber case next. Okay? So we're gonna cover this carbon fiber case next. Gonna put the Z-Do off to the side. Gonna put the rest of these off to the side, and let's dive in. So, wow, it's falling all over the table here. Put that up there, don't move. So, this is my unboxing and first impressions of the, how do you pronounce this? Muokctm case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Oh my gosh, that name is... Okay. Case manufacturers, man. Case manufacturers. I'm gonna need some type of pronunciation guide, because Muokctm? I don't know. I'm gonna just put it up on the screen. No. But this is my unboxing of the faux carbon fiber case. Look, now I'm all tongue-tied. The faux carbon fiber case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Alright, now, talking about the packaging, this is pretty nice packaging. Very clean, very discreet, very straightforward. Okay, minimal branding on it. Flipping it this way, same thing. Very minimalistic, very straightforward. Let's pop into this. Alright. So, hop into this here. Got your foam insert here. Oh, wait a minute. Yo! Okay, so this is another one that includes a tempered glass screen protector. Okay. Good move. No, I'm not even gonna try it. I'm gonna put the name up one more time. For including a decently quality case and a tempered glass screen protector. Nice move there. So once again, we have full protection here. So you get your dust removal stickers and your wet and your dry wipes, and then you get your tempered glass. Now let's check the quality of this tempered glass real quickly here. So let me pull this out real fast. Alright. Oh, okay. So it's all one piece. So there's no cutout for your front facing camera. Everything is fully covered. And I like this. It has a nice black border around the top and the bottoms of the screen protector. I like that blacked out look. Okay? So really nice touch. Now, you only get one, so I probably won't use this. I might stick to the screen protector that I already have on the device, but it's really good to see that they included a screen protector plus all the materials you need to install it along with the case. You're getting extra points for that, in my opinion. So let's put this off to the side. Let's leave the case out. Okay, and here is the case itself. Now, y'all already know, if y'all been subscribed to my channel for any length of time, I am a sucker for carbon fiber or faux carbon fiber, okay? Case in point, any device that I even think about keeping for long periods of time, you gotta get that faux carbon fiber look. So when this came up in the catalog, I was like, carbon fiber, I'm in there. So y'all already know I'm probably gonna like this one off the rip, but I'm still gonna put it through its paces. I'm still gonna be honest. But man, this looks good. This looks really good. Okay? Got all your appropriate cutouts here. Got your nice diamond shock absorption pattern on the inside. Let's slap it on the device and see how it looks. Okay, so here is the A54 5G. Already gave it a good wipe down. And let's slap it on. So it just slots right in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a lot easier to put on than the other case. And then look at this. Ooh-wee, that looks good. Look at that. That looks good. And, oh yes, much needed grip. Yes. So the sides, even though it's like a glossy material, it's like a grippy, glossy material. And the back, this texture on the back. Ooh, yes, I like this. And then we got our faux carbon fiber at the top and our faux carbon fiber at the bottom. We got a nice raised lip indentation for our camera lenses and our flash. We got full protection for our buttons. Let me check the clickiness here. Let me bring this up to the mic. Okay, so decently clicky. Yeah, the other one was kind of mushy. This one is decently clicky. So we get full protection, but we still have very clicky buttons with nice feedback. I like that. I like that a lot. And then we have a nice raised lip to protect the screen. So if I drop it, the screen is fully protected. All right. So first impressions of the, I'm gonna put the name up because I'm not gonna keep struggling to pronounce that. It seems like a really good case. And this one also is available for a really good price as well. So first impressions, it's really good. It's really good indeed. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this case on the device for about a week. Then I'm going to come back and I'm going to drop my full review. So you guys and gals, stay tuned. Y'all know how we do. Now, that wraps up this video. So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I'm sorry for all my clumsiness and antics. I hope it was a little bit entertaining. I hope you kind of enjoyed it. But hey, those are the struggles that happen when I push record. That's what happened, okay? So I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more coverage and content like this, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Okay, this whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 in pro video mode with no external microphone hooked up. Okay, and this one was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS. Okay, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. And as always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up the device featured in the video or the featured case, all the affiliated buy links to everything featured in the video will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the name implies, those are affiliated links. So when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Okay? That does it for this one. I hope you guys and gals are having a good day. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.